we got the bumper on perfectly. And now you guys can see I got my pendulum just getting the front, the dead center there, pretty much spot on. And it's just swing and stop. It's going right center. Still moving a little bit. It's gonna be exactly where we need to be at for the center, for that final decal. This bumper turned out great. I got some overspray on here, but we gonna get that out and make it look nice. The symmetry is there on both sides. We got it raised up perfectly just beneath that lip, and it looks super good. I paused it here because you may notice the chin spoiler is kind of crooked. It's actually just held up at this point by the two side screws because I did move it down some so I can place that decal there and swing it over, wrap it around the back side of it. I just didn't want to apply it when I had it kind of buttoned up. Now I have it dialed in. I don't know if I'll show it in this video, but it's dialed in exactly where I wanted it right now. I just want to note that. Alright, so I'm gonna cut that final decal out. I got two pieces left over, this, and I got another piece somewhere. I gotta find it, but this one goes for the bumper. You see these curves fit where the bolts go in. All right, let me cut this out. All right, I'm measuring it. I think I got it spot on. No wind out here. A little tiny bit of wind, but when it settles, we're gonna see. Swing it a little bit. I think that's it. If it's a little bit off, it don't kill me. It's gonna drive me crazy, but that looks really, really, really good. Still swinging. We're dead center everywhere. All right, I think I'm just gonna go with that. Cause when it's calm, we got a dead center line. All right, I'm just gonna go with the flow right there. That's it. I'm gonna go with that. It is what it is. I'm out here doing this in the dark. It's about 8 o'clock at night. Just beautiful outside. And I'm out here applying this decal. Pretty much got it on. Super good. Just fine tuning it now. Pretty much got it on in the dark. 4th of July is a couple days, so you guys are gonna hear some fireworks around here. Pretty quiet around here, but 4th of July is just a couple days away, so. This one laid on pretty good, despite there was some wrinkles in it. It went on well. Let me go back to the camera view on. It's dark. I don't have no lights. Yeah. It's not a bump or something right here. I don't feel any bumps or wrinkles in this one. Pretty much went on without any issues at all. I feel something right here though. Maybe a wrinkle. Cause this way it curves that into that contour, so we'll see. What if it is, maybe we can get it out. It's pretty much on here though. Forgive me for the no light. We got these lights on, but the bugs are ridiculous out here, so I gotta have it dark in here. But the air circulation feels great, so I am enjoying that because it's about 85 right now. So that's why I got the door open. And we're dead even. All right, now I gotta start pulling this thing off. Like I said, forgive me for the lack of lighting. It's just the bugs are on another level this evening, and I'm trying to hide from them right now. I'll get this peeled up. I'll get this started somewhere. Not pulling the decal up. All right, we got something. All right, it's revealing itself. As long as I can get up under this, we're just gonna pull it down from the top and work our way down towards the curvature, not on an angle, because I don't want it to lift up. So I think this is the best way to do this. Hope you all are seeing this. I'm getting a better view than on the gold stripe than you guys. I mean, I'm getting a better view looking at the camera than looking at the actual thing. That's how dark it is out here. I want this to fall off. So far, so good. Trying to take my time. Let me spray this, no rush. Because if I go to rushing, I'll go to getting some bubbles. It'll lift up on me and I'll get some bubbles. Even though that's not a problem, the wrinkles are the problem. The bubbles, I'll get those out with no issues. All right, so far so good. It looks really good. That's wet right here. Let it run down the seam of that film so it can just go on, work itself on out. All right, let me put the camera down and use two hands and ease this down. We'll be back to reveal the final stripe or decal for this project. All right, the bumper's on. That looks nice. For that bumper to be 50 years old and sat in that garage for all those years pretty much helped me get this bumper back looking very nice. I saved this bumper. If you all been watching the channel and seen all what I've gone through to get this bumper back looking presentable. Man, I did a lot of work to this bumper and it turned out pretty nice. It really did. A lot of work went into this to get like this, to save it. I saved this bumper, guys. I really did. I saved this bumper. This thing is nice. Don't look nice. Look at the symmetry. Look at that, guys. Look at the symmetry. We're there. It's beautiful. All right. Stay tuned for the next video. Um, hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you all are liking how the car is turning out. It's looking amazing. It really is. It's dirty. A lot of dust on it, but it's because of this chain flinging that oil. But yeah, we're looking good. So stay tuned. Hit that like button. Tearing something out.